Hey everybody, it's Jersey Shore Jeff bringing the Jersey Shore to your door. This is a Boardwalk replay video from the Shore Files because, like a summer tan, this one's worth bringing back. These Boardwalk replay videos are where I show videos from my other two channels, the New York channel as well as Jersey Jeff Eats. Now, some of you people who have been following me for years might have seen some of these videos and some of you may have not, but definitely a lot of the Jersey Shore Jeff newcomers have not seen them yet. All of these videos are Jersey Shore related in places that I have visited in the past, including some food places that I have visited at the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. If you've seen this video before on my other two channels, that's fine. There'll be lots of new content here every week at the Jersey Shore Jeff channel. All I'm doing is adding some content to this brand new Jersey Shore Jeff channel in hopes of getting new subscribers. Hopefully you'll enjoy this video again or for the first time. Today's video is all about a nice relaxing summer day on the Point Pleasant Beach Boardwalk. I'm here in beautiful Point Pleasant Beach today on the Boardwalk. I'm going to show you around the Boardwalk of Point Pleasant Beach, a couple of the restaurants, the games of chances, the amusements, the bars, the lounges, you name it. Lots to see here in Point Pleasant Beach. Come along with me, we'll take a little walk. What a beautiful day for the Jersey Shore, and there's no place I'd rather be today than Point Pleasant Beach, the northernmost Jersey Shore town in Ocean County. If we go north of here, we're going to have to cross the Manasquan Inlet, and we'd be in Manasquan, New Jersey, which would be Monmouth County. I'm in the middle of visiting all the Jersey Shore towns along the Jersey Shore, and so far we visited Monmouth County, Ocean County, Atlantic County, as well as Cape May County. And of course, there's more to come. These hermit crabs are up and down the Jersey Shore, and they're kind of cute. They're all painted to give them their individual personalities, I guess, and the more you look at them, the more you want to take one home. Or perhaps two, so they can keep each other company. If you take care of them, they can grow to be 10 years old and up to 6 inches. You have to keep switching the shells, though. They're not born with those shells. They find a shell and they live in it, hence hermit crab. If you give them a bigger shell, they'll grow bigger. As with all these Jersey Shore videos here on the New York channel, I'm going to keep the background sounds up so you get the full sights and sounds of the Jersey Shore. I'll try to keep my commentary down to a minimum, but you know me, I can't help myself. And I'll play a little background music as well, and I pretty much stop into a lot of stores, check out the restaurants and amusements as well. Point Pleasant Beach is a family destination, lots of things for the kids and adults, including this adult area where they have some bars back here. This is the Jenks Pavilion, as well as the famous Tiki bar here in Point Pleasant Beach. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Jersey Shore Jeff channel. It's brand new. Also, give the video a thumbs up and share it on your social media. Again, it's all important for a new channel. I really do appreciate your support, guys. Of course, it wouldn't be a Jersey Shore town without saltwater taffy and fudge. I failed to mention as we started our walk that we passed the Jenkinsons Aquarium, which is a privately owned facility. Since June of 1991, the aquarium has been dedicated to educating the public on all aspects of marine life and conservation. We're coming up upon Joey Tomatoes, one of the famous pizzerias here on the Point Pleasant Beach Boardwalk, and the second place I ever visited as far as the Jersey Jeff Eats channel, which is about a year old now. I can't call it a new channel anymore, I don't think, but Joey Tomatoes, the second place I visited here on the channel. I believe the first one was Stewart's Hot Dogs, again, right here in Point Pleasant Beach. And of course, if you get the chance, don't forget to visit my Jersey Jeff Eats channel, where I visit all kinds of places and sit down and eat eventually. I just want to head towards the back of the Jenks Pavilion and show you the famous Tiki bar, one of my favorite places to hang out, especially on a Sunday. You come here for several hours with some family and friends and just sit down and eat peel and eat shrimp all day and have some cocktails. There's always some good live music going on back here. When you check out the Jersey Shore boardwalks, you'll find lots of rooftop dining, offering great views of the boardwalk as well as the ocean.
Your bed? Is that good?
There's always something going on here on the Jenkinsons boardwalk, whether it be the Taylor Swift beach dance party or the family beach concert series or movies on the beach or oldies nights concerts, as well as eat and play specials, wristband day, which allows unlimited rides. There's a special character dining, as well as family Wednesdays. Always something going on here. The Point Pleasant Beach Boardwalk is about a mile long, making it one of the shorter boardwalks here on the Jersey Shore. And all these amusements and restaurants and things that we're walking through today, it's really only the central third. So this whole area that we're walking through today, only about a third of a mile long. But again, the entire boardwalk's about a mile. Near the center of the boardwalk here is Arnold Avenue, and if you were to take Arnold Avenue west for about, I'm going to say around a quarter of a mile, you'd come to downtown Point Pleasant Beach, which is known for its shops, restaurants, and tons of antique shops as well. And if you were to go just a little bit further west than there, you'd come across the borough of Point Pleasant, a totally different borough than Point Pleasant Beach. Point Pleasant Beach is about an hour south of the New York City area and an hour north of the Atlantic City area. An interesting fact for some of you, years ago when I decided to move out of the New York City area in North Jersey, I moved to Ocean County right here in Point Pleasant. I've moved on a little bit further south since then. Over the years, I've come to love the Jersey Shore, and it's pretty much where I want to stay the rest of my life. New Jersey Transit has a rail line that comes right here to Point Pleasant Beach. It makes, of course, other stops along the Jersey Shore. I think it's called the Coastal Line. That might be wrong there, but that particular line is running down the Jersey Shore. Point Pleasant Beach is one of its stops, and the station's just a couple blocks away, making it super easy to get to the Jersey Shore from the New York City area. And no, this particular train you're looking at right here has nothing to do with Jersey Transit. As a family destination, Point Pleasant Beach really doesn't have too many thrill rides. Most of these rides are geared towards the smaller children, or the kiddie rides, if you will. If you're looking for thrill rides, then you have to go a little bit further south to Seaside Heights, another video here on the New York channel. I actually just updated that Seaside Heights video, and if you're looking for the newer one, it should be hitting the channel shortly. As with most, but not all Jersey Shore towns, there's a lot of fees for everything, including getting onto the beach and parking, which is really high. As a resident down here at the Jersey Shore, I could buy a seasonal pass, and that definitely makes a lot more sense. It's about 3 or 4 times the amount of a daily pass, and again, that's definitely worth it for me.
Only by what he says, but also by what he doesn't say. Remember, it is much better to say little than to say too much and regret it later. Give those for your treasure. I have much wisdom to share with you.
As I said earlier, like the northern end of the boardwalk, the southern end, which is where we are now, is a lot more quieter than the midsection. course, it's not a day at the beach if I don't stop off and get my Coors Orange Vanilla Swirl Custard. So we spent a lot of time in the midsection of the boardwalk, which is where we are again. I just took you just briefly down to the southern end just a couple moments ago, and now we're going to head towards the northern end. I'll show you what that looks like. Again, more quieter than the midsection. And of course, the northern end has those beautiful little bungalows all along the boardwalk. This is the famous Frank Sinatra house. It's called that because, well, they've been playing Frank Sinatra music on this porch 24/7 for decades. That's right, it never stopped, unless, of course, there was a power outage or something. The house just recently sold for $2.26 million. All of the bungalows here on the Point Pleasant Beach Boardwalk are worth millions of dollars, and, well, Jersey's not cheap, folks, especially oceanfront. We're coming upon the northernmost area of the boardwalk here by the Manasquan Inlet, and I recently did a video here on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. I had a shrimp lunch here on the northern end of the boardwalk if you want to check that video out. Again, that's on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. If you'd like to support the New York channel, then just click on that thanks button right underneath this video. Doing so will not only help support the channel and make videos like this one possible, but it will get you a shout out as well on a future New York video. I do appreciate your support, guys. And here we are, the end of the boardwalk at Point Pleasant Beach. That's the Manasquan Inlet in front of us, the choppy waters of the Manasquan Inlet, and across the way is Manasquan, Monmouth County, New Jersey. The Jersey Shore continues. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.